Do you want to sound funny while speaking English? Don't worry. I have some of the idioms for you today, which will make your English more hilarious. Let's see that. First one is hold your horses. It means wait. बोलते हैं ना सब्र रखो. For example, hold your horses, your turn will come. सब्र रखो, तुम्हारी बारी आएगी. Or we can say hold your horses, you will get the slice of pizza. रुक जाओ, मिलेगा तुम्हें भी पिज्जा. The another one is all talks and no trousers. It means only talks but no action. सिर्फ बातें हैं but कोई implementation नहीं है. For example, your friend is there जो बहुत बड़े बड़े ideas, plans की बात करता है, but आपने कभी भी उसको उन पर implement करते हुए नहीं देखा, कोई काम करते हुए नहीं देखा. So you will say he is all talk and no trousers. He only talks about his big ideas and plans, but I have never seen him working on it. The third one is heart in mouth. It means extremely nervous or frightened. जब आप बहुत घबराए हुए होते हैं या डरे हुए होते हैं. For example, my heart was in my mouth when the driver was driving rashly. Another one is a piece of cake. It means something very easy to do. बाएं हाथ का खेल जिसे बोलते हैं. For example, this interview is just a piece of cake for you. बहुत ही आसान है तो तुम्हारे लिए. Or I can say English is just a piece of cake for me. Last but not the least, bite your tongue. It means to keep quiet or to stop yourself from saying something. कुछ कहने से अपने आप को रोकना. For example, I had to bite my tongue when he said he has done all the work. मुझे चुप रहना पड़ा जब उसने कहा कि सारा काम उसी ने किया, but किया नहीं था. I hope you will use these funny idioms to make your English more hilarious. Till then, stay tuned.